Most people don't know Facebook will actually pay you as a regular person without a large following to post content. If you're already posting on Facebook or thinking of starting, this video could change how you see the platform completely. I'm going to show you how Facebook monetization works in 2025 and possibly 2026 because the year is already over. Hi there, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Bess. I'm a stay-at-home mom who earns an income online, and on this channel, I'm sharing the different passive incomes I've tried, what works and what does not. You might be wondering, does Facebook actually pay people to post? Yes, Facebook pay creators directly to post. But here's the most important part. Facebook doesn't just pay you for posting, they pay you if your content keeps people on the platform. So the more people watch, interact, and engage with your content, the more earning opportunities you unlock. Now, how do you get paid with Facebook? First of all, you need to be eligible for Facebook monetization. Number one thing, your page should be in good standing. You shouldn't have gone against Facebook partner monetization policies. Number two, you need to post consistently. I know I'm always saying post consistently, yes, but that is the long game for Facebook. You need to post at least 3 to 5 times a week. I would say 3 to 5 times a day, but you need to be posting. Number three, you shouldn't have any copyrighted content on your page. And so now, how do you know if you're eligible for Facebook monetization? If you already have a Facebook page, then you have the professional dashboard. You can just go to your professional dashboard, and under the professional dashboard, you go to monetization tools. It's going to tell you that if you're eligible and which of the different monetization types you're eligible for. If you have a Facebook page, you can go to the 3 dots on your profile. When you tap on the 3 dots, you scroll down, you're going to see where it says to switch to professional mode. So when you switch to professional mode, then you can see your dashboard and you can also check if you're eligible for the monetization. Now, here are the different ways you can get monetized on Facebook. The very first one is content monetization. This, I think, is the most popular one. It is by invite only, and once you accept the invite, Facebook then pays you for qualifying views on your content. Qualifying views meaning they don't go against the terms of service for their partnership program. This is the one that I'm actually eligible for right now, and it is where Facebook pays for literally everything. They pay you for photos, they pay you for videos, they pay you for reels, they pay you for stories, they even pay you for text posts. Yep, they pay for that. The most important thing on this stage of monetization is engagement. And this is where controversial topics do very well, because when people are in your comment section arguing, this person is choosing this side, this person is taking this side, all of that watch time, all of that interaction on your content or on your profile, they really pay high for that. At this point, you also need to know which one works best for you, because reels might work best for me, but reels don't work best for you. So after you've posted for a few times and you started earning, you need to know which format of content pays you more, and you stick to that. The next one is bonuses. So bonuses are like incentives that Facebook pay you for based on your performance. They can actually ask you to have a certain number of views within a certain number of days, and if you surpass that tax that I've given you, it's like a tax. When they give you that tax, if you surpass it, they're going to pay you. So based on your views, based on your reach, or just for posting consistently, Facebook will pay you for that. Most creators, if you're eligible for the content monetization, most times you're also eligible for the bonuses. The third one, Facebook stars. So Facebook stars, everybody is eligible for this if you have your profile in a professional mode. This is where your followers, your audience support you, or they tip you by sending you stars, and these stars equal to real money in real life. So if you go live regularly or on your videos, if you're saying something that people like or people like to watch, somebody may like, okay, this person is making sense, and they might tip you on that video. At the end of the month, when Facebook is paying out, they'll convert all of those tips to money, because you buy those stars. So if you buy a star for $1 and you gift it to somebody, that person has actually earned $1. The fourth way, in-stream ads. So Facebook places ads before your video, during your video, and after your video. You earn money based on watch time, audience retention, and sometimes based on the location of where people are watching it from. So if your video is engaging and people love it and they watch it all the way to the end, you're going to make money from in-stream ads. And the last is promoting your own products or affiliate marketing. So even before you get eligible for monetization on Facebook, you can promote affiliate links, or you could sell your own digital product or offer services. These are the different ways in which you could earn with Facebook. Facebook is a powerful tool if you combine both platform payouts and your own income streams. And now the most important thing about earning with Facebook is for you to know your analytics. So analytics, Facebook has really made it easy. This is where they will show you what is working for you and what is not. They will show you your watch time. They'll show you your views. They'll show you where your audience are watching from. They'll show you what time your audience are most active. You have to take all of this into consideration. You also have to note which content type is performing best for you. This is the way for you to grow quickly and earn faster. Because if you don't understand what is working, you definitely don't know what you're doing. So after you've posted within a time frame, I always say 3 months is a good time frame for you to have enough analytics to judge on, okay, what is actually working for me. So if you've posted for some time and you see what works, if it's videos, okay, if it's reels, okay, if it's photos, just know exactly what works for your page and you do more of that. Lastly, if you're just starting out, you don't need to go viral overnight. What Facebook rewards is consistency, original content, and engagement. So you can start where you are, keep posting, track your analytics, see what works for you, double down on what is working, and you're going to make money from it. Facebook is no longer just a social app. Right now, Facebook is an income making app for creators who understand how to use it. And so guys, if you love this video so far, please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get notified every time that I post a video. And if you want to see more videos on simple passive income ideas that work for moms and beginners, I'm a stay-at-home mom trying to make an income online. If you want to see more monetization content and any online content, make sure to stick around. I've got you. And until next time, bye.
Time, grind time, watch me come alive. Give me 30